Are you annoyed or tense because your laptop sound is too low or slow? Fed up with having to use headphones every time you watch a video? Well, you are in luck. Today I am here to fix the problem for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to enjoy crystal clear sound without the need of two pesky headphones. And hey, if your problem is solved, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh, and just a quick side note before you get distracted by my wallpaper featuring that girl, let's keep our focus on fixing the sound issues. Alright, after all, we are having to tackle tech troubles, not to browse out galleries. Let's dive in.